Hey, hello everybody. It's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. We're down here at the layout and we're going to try to see if we can get a locomotive to go down the ramp, as I call it, and pick up those cars over there, which are already on the ramp. There's a red car. I'm not sure what that says. And there's a Pan Am car, State of Maine car. So we're going to see. I haven't cleaned the track. So I'm asking a lot. You got to clean the track, even though it's nickel silver. It still has issues. Or if I don't know if this is Atlas or Cato. So we're sending a locomotive that has an excellent chance of making it. Of course, I'm not really sure what's in that tunnel. And of course, with my primitive 1950s, 60s setup, I don't have a walk-around control throttle. I may have to. Here's a good creep speed. Ooh. Not sure if it really connected because I've had problems with that Pan Am, one of those cars. Let's see if we can get it to bring something up the mountain. No, let's take what we can get for now. Look at the mighty T-Rex up there. Yep, there's another one. There's another little one there. Now it should die because I shut the power off to the upper track, so it should not make it. Yes. All right. Well, we're getting there. We're getting there. Hey, thanks for watching and have a wonderful Saturday morning. And if you're enjoying these little videos, please like, subscribe, open to constructive criticism. I'm sure I could do a lot better, and we'll get there. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.